Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a mobile info bar to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic feature that displays essential business information like your phone number, email, location, and business hours right at the top of your mobile site, making it incredibly easy for visitors to contact you or find your business. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to squarespace.com and logging into your account. Once you've entered your credentials and signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can see all your websites. From here, simply click on the website where you want to add the mobile info bar. This will open up that specific site's editing interface. Now look over to the left side menu and click the gear icon. This icon opens up your site settings, which is where all the configuration options live. It's the control center for managing various aspects of your website's functionality and appearance. Next, you'll see a search icon at the top of the settings panel. Click on it and type in mobile information bar. Then click on the result that appears. This search function is incredibly helpful for quickly finding specific settings without having to dig through multiple menus. You'll now see a drop-down menu appear. Click on it and select Enable Mobile Info Bar Lite. This is the first step in activating the feature, and it opens up the configuration options where you can customize what information appears in your mobile info bar. Here's where you can add all your key business details. You'll see options to add your email, phone number, location, and business hours for your info bar. Just click on any of these fields to start entering your information, then click Leave when you're ready to input the actual details. This will direct you to another section where you can input your contact number, contact email, location, and business hours in detail. Take your time filling out these fields accurately, as this information will be directly visible to your mobile visitors. Once you're done entering all your information, click Save and then click the close icon to exit this configuration screen. Give the system a moment to process and save your changes properly. Now click the drop-down menu again, and this time choose Enable Mobile Info Bar. This is different from the previous step because now you're actually activating the bar itself. You'll then see checkboxes for all the information you just entered. Check the boxes next to the information you want to show on your mobile site. This gives you control over exactly what appears, so you can display only what's most relevant to your visitors. After selecting your preferences, click Save to confirm your choices. Your mobile info bar is now configured and ready to go. To see how it looks, click the preview icon in the upper right corner of your screen. This will show you exactly how your mobile site appears to visitors, and you should now be able to see the mobile info bar displayed prominently at the top with all the information you selected. And that's it. Your mobile info bar is now live and helping visitors connect with your business more easily. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.